Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Real Steelbook, back at you again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Temtem video game and collector's edition. No Steelbook today, unfortunately, as this collector's edition did not have a Steelbook included with it. Before we get started with all that, if you could please give me a like, a share, a subscription, any comments. Any type of interaction with the video would be greatly appreciated. It helps my channel, helps the algorithm, helps me to continue to make content for this channel. So let's dive right in. We're looking at Temtem, and the video game did not come with the collector's edition. They were sold separately, so you had to buy them separate. So we'll take a look at the Temtem. You can see the case right in front of you there. And the side and the back and the inside, just the disc, and there's some extras on the back with the codes. So this game came out last year. It was kind of like a Pokemon clone type game for the Xbox. See the collector's edition. We'll rotate the box here a little bit so you can get an idea what everything looks like. It includes a statue, a character pin set, an embroidery patches set, and 3 cards. So we'll take a look at all that stuff in just a minute. Get done rotating everything here. You can see all the sides of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this open. There's the top. I'll open this up. See what's inside there. We'll have a statue. Here's the first thing here. Let's go ahead and take that out. And take this out of the wrapping. See what we got here. Assuming this is the original 3 characters in the game. I don't know the names of any of these characters, unfortunately. I probably should have done some research, but we got one that looks like a monkey. And we have another one. Looks like a turtle, maybe. Pretty cool looking. And another one that I have no idea what it is. Maybe you guys know more about it than I do. So there we have the whole thing. Pretty nice looking statue, decent size. Put that aside, see what else is in the box here. What else we got? Okay, so we have a set of 3 pins from the characters. I got this upside down, but the pin was upside down, so that's what that looks like. Like I said, pins, you can pin them to your clothing or just keep them and save them. And then a set of 3 clothing patches. I'm going to go ahead and open these up so we can take a look at them. And there's the first one. And the second one. And the third one. And then I'm not sure what these are. I'm assuming cards. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Oh, they're acrylics. These are actually kind of, I really like these. These are kind of nice. first one. They're marked as red, green, and purple, so I want to keep them with their original packaging. There's the green one. And lastly, we got the one with the purple dot on it. We'll open that up. Like, these are pretty solid. You see, they're like a pretty solid acrylic piece. We got all that. And I'm just going to put this aside and look on the box one more time and make sure everything's here that's supposed to be here. So we got the statue, we got the character pin set, we got the patches, and we got the Tem card. They're called Tem cards. Those acrylic pieces. So that's everything for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.